guys, this is Suman here and you're welcome to Food vs. Sharma. Guys, today's video is going to be very special as I will be making traditional rice flour laddu. This is generally used as offerings in Chhath Puja. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. I have taken here 200 grams of ghee in a heated pan. Add in 100 grams of dried fruit. Here I have taken 5 types of dried fruits, which includes cashew, resin, dried coconut, dried dates and almonds. Here we will add 1 kg of rice flour. You can also grind the rice into fine powder in order to use it as a rice flour. Keep stirring for 10 minutes on medium flame. Now add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Stir for next 5 minutes. Seems like it's done now, so we will take it out. In the same pan, we will add 250 grams of water and 700 grams of sugar. Stir until sugar dissolves. Once you see the bubbles, turn off the flame. And now add the sugar syrup to the rice flour mixture. Mix everything well. Now finally we will give it a ball shape. Make loose balls or the laddu will become hard later on. And you can see our traditional rice flour laddu is ready to be served now. Guys, do try this at home and share your experience with me. Link for Instagram and Facebook is in the description box. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cool recipes. Until next video, goodbye.